Well, it's all happened here. Now we're seeing the boys for the 100-meter dash. Jen Jackson of the British Virgin Islands and Antonio Powell of Jamaica already out. Ethan Sam of Grenada. And now we're going to see Elan Bizansin of the Guadeloupe making his way out. Lane number 5 from St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Jamar Saunders coming in with 10.53 into this final. Jamal Stephenson, who came in as a replacement but has found his way into the finals, one of the fastest times. And the home favorite, Dylan Woodruff, gets the applause of all as he makes his way out. Is the last man out. He is in lane number 8.
Penultimate event on the opening day of the Carifta Games in Port of Spain, Trinidad and Tobago. Donald Oliver, let's head to him.
Mike is firmly in the hand of Ricardo at this time. I tell you what, earlier today, because of the fact that Jamaica hadn't won a gold medal in the earlier session, there was that feeling that maybe they were underachieving on the day, but certainly in the latter part of the opening day of these Carifta Games, Jamaica have really come to the fore.
Well, it's the Carifta Games. It's not Jamaica's games. Final of the under 20 boys 100 meters coming up, and what a final this is. This is as open a 100 under 20 final as I've seen in a while. Yes, we've had some high quality finals in the last few years, but I can't even begin to hazard a guess as to who will win this one. On the inside, Jaden Jackson of the British Virgin Islands, 10.65 in qualifying. Antonio Powell of Jamaica, 10.59 in qualifying. Ethan Sam won his semi-final at 10.70. Looked very, very cool, the double sprint medalist at the under 17 level 2 years ago. This man, I thought, looked the best of them all. Lan Bizasine of Guadeloupe, 10.43 in qualifying. Jamar Saunders of St. Vincent and the Grenadines won his semi-final, as did Jamal Stephenson of Jamaica. Stephenson looked very, very easy. Dylan Woodruff qualified as a non-automatic entry into this championship race, but I wouldn't bet against him getting a medal or even winning it. Aiden Kelly of the Bahamas closes out the field in lane number 8.
Just a moment of prayer for Dylan Woodruff as he readies himself to compete here. He's won a couple of titles in the 100 meters over the last couple of seasons and has really given himself a huge name in Trinidad and Tobago. Many see him as one of the greats of the future.
It's all about having the ability to hold your nerve. I think this race has that look about it. Last year I expected it to be competitive with a number of standouts. 3 or 4 of them maybe, and Devontae Howell, the Caymanian, absolutely blew the field away, and I thought should have gotten Johan Blake's record had he not eased up with about 10 meters to go. So was the comfort level. Ran 10.15 to defend his title. This year we'll have a new champion, but it's so difficult to even begin to figure out who that champion will be. And I'm just realizing, by the way, that Jamar Saunders of St. Vincent and the Grenadines is not there. So we are down to 7. So we're getting word that Jamar Saunders of St. Vincent and the Grenadines actually cut his finger, and they are giving him a minute or so to get it sorted out before the race. Yeah. Boy, we've seen it.
I think it was in adjusting the blocks more likely. That's where he would have cut himself. Because I do remember seeing him doing a practice run, and then all of a sudden he disappeared. So, in one of the races earlier, and that was because the record, the Carifta record in the pole vault was broken. It has been broken twice actually. So 2 have gone over it, and that was the reason for that hold-up.
Relatively new event, the pole vault at the Carifta Games on the girls' side, only in its third year. Tension rising for the final of the under-20 boys. One part of the spectacle. It is part of what makes competition what it is. You can make all the predictions in the world, but at the end of the day, it's all about what happens on the day.
I know you've done a lot of cricket, and cricket is usually called the game of glorious uncertainties. I tell you what, today has taken that title over.
It certainly has. There is Saunders now, apologies, making his way to the start area. Won his semi-final. Produced a silencing act at the end of it. On the 20 boys 100 final, Johan Blake of Jamaica has the game's record, 10.11 in 2007. Saunders gets an opportunity to do a block start. This is it. The under 20 boys 100 final. Jackson, Powell, Sam, Bizasine, Saunders, Stephenson, Woodruff and Kelly. Off they go. Jamal Stephenson of Jamaica got away brilliantly. Ethan Sam is running well. Bizasine, Woodruff is coming forward. Stephenson has the beat. Redemption for Jamal Stephenson. The little boy from Waterhouse. No need for an apology tonight. He's the Carifta Games champion.
What a run and what a story for Stephenson. Wasn't part of the original plan for the 100 meter. He is the plan now. He's not moving the needle, he is the needle.
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, Carifta Games 2025 finally are here with us. And guys, here we are having a very impressive and dramatic track and field event. Boys under 2100 meters das final. Carifta Games 2025 in Trinidad and Tobago, where we are seeing young brilliant Jamaican Jamal Stephenson destroying the field, winning gold in 10.24 seconds. Guys, Dylan Woodruff of Trinidad and Tobago secured silver in 10.30 and Grenada Ethan Sam settled for bronze in 10.41 seconds. Guys, it was such a very impressive race, and at the comment section down below here, let's congratulate all the young kings from Caribbean island participating in this amazing and dramatic track and field event 100 meters das under 20 boys final Carifta Games 2025 in Trinidad and Tobago. Guys, as we have seen, it was dramatic as Jamal Saunders of St. Vincent accidentally did not finish well as he got injuries and leaves the stadium in a wheelchair. Sorry, and so sorry for Saunders. And guys, you'll all agree with me, Jamaican Jamal Stephenson executed the track, the race, accumulating like lightning. Oh my God, what a fantastic race, boys, at the 2100 meter dash final, Carifta Games 2025. What a stunning performance from all the young men. And these young men are the one to watch in this year 2025 track and field event, which have already kicked off, like Carifta's, which already kicked off from yesterday. And guys, it's so amazing. So keep tuned here, keep locked here, because I'll definitely bring all the event as they happen. And if it's your first time come across the channel, go by the name and K News, kindly subscribe, hit that notification bell Don't forget to like the video, comment, share, and God will bless you. Blessings.